What's up guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to add a Zelle recipient to your Capital One account using the mobile application. Alright, so the first step would be to launch the application from within the app drawer. As you can see, you're going to click on this specific icon in the app drawer which will launch the Capital One application in your phone. For a few seconds you will going to see the loading screen. Once the app is loaded successfully, you're going to see the sign in page where you're going to enter your credentials and click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, you're going to see the loading icon for a few seconds. Depending on the network connection, next page will open up, which is the account page. Here you are going to be seeing different accounts which you have linked with your Capital One account. You're going to click on the first box, the one with the label 360 checking. After clicking on that particular tile or box, you're going to see that your 360 checking account page will open up. In this page, you're going to click under the I want to section on the send money with Zelle option as highlighted by the red box on your screen right now. The next page will load up where it might ask you as a prompt that if you would like to use a QR code to make Zelle payments. You might continue with this, but we will not be doing it as it is not part of this video. Alright, once done with that, the next screen that you will see is a send money with Zelle screen, where under the completed section you're going to see all the transactions which have been completed or might have not been completed in the past. You got to scroll down and take a look at the additional options which will show up at the bottom of this page. There will be three options: manage recipients, Zelle settings, and learn about Zelle. You got to click on the first option, which is right below the view all option as highlighted by the red box on your screen right now. Once you click on the manage recipients icon or manage recipients option, the next thing that you got to do is to add a new recipient. This particular screen is manage recipient screen. Here you can manage your existing recipients and add new recipients. What you got to do is you got to click on the add a new recipient option, and once you click on that, you will have a new page showing up where you need to add the details about the recipient which you want to add into your Capital One account as a Zelle recipient. Once you're done entering the name and then the mobile phone or email for the Zelle payments of the specific recipient which you want to add, you can proceed ahead by clicking on add recipient. Just as a side note, you can also add recipients from your phone contacts. You can use that feature by clicking on the use phone contacts link or button on the top right corner in the current screen. Once done with this, if your recipient exists on Zelle, then that person will be added as a recipient in your Capital One account, and now you can start making payments using your Capital One accounts through Zelle to that particular recipient. But if not, then you will see a dialog like this, which will say that this particular user or recipient is not currently enrolled in Zelle. But you can still send and request money with this person, but they will need to sign up to complete payments. Alright, and there's the rest of the warning about the purchase protection. According to your choice, you can continue adding this recipient or cancel. Once done, the recipient will be added as a recipient, and now you can start sending them or receiving payments from them through Zelle in your Capital One account. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.